I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart, chiropractor in Parkland, Florida. If you are one of those people who sit at a computer for long hours in a day, a lot of people tend to get a lot of neck, shoulder, hand, wrist, and finger pain. I'm going to show you right now a few stretches and things that you can do in order to reduce your aches, pains, as well as future problems that you may incur. Number one, a lot of times when people sit at a computer, they tend to lean their heads forward. I suggest sitting up straight or possibly getting a chair that can adjust in a method so that your tush will actually come up higher than your knees, and what it does is it forces you to sit in a more upright position as opposed to slouching and sitting like this. The other thing that you can do too, a lot of times people find a lot of neck tension and muscle strain in their upper neck and shoulders. What I recommend to do every half hour or so, take 2 minutes and do a couple brief stretches. One that's really helpful while you're sitting at your desk is hang onto your chair on one side, lean and pull your head straight to the side, stretching out the muscles of your neck, your upper shoulder, and it'll feel really good when you do it. The other way you can do it too is straight to the side as well as to the forward, and again you'll feel a pull. I recommend of course doing it on both sides in order to keep your symmetry and keep your muscles even. That's great for your shoulders. For those of you who are doing a lot of typing or a lot of mouse work, you may find your hands and your forearms cramping. What I suggest you do for that is while you're sitting here, take a second, grab your fingers, push your palm forward, stretching out your forearm. Doing the same thing by pushing your hand inward like this. And another one that's very good is putting your hand palm up, reaching underneath, grabbing your thumb and stretching forward while turning your wrist in an upward or in a fashion this way so that your pinky goes up towards the ceiling. Doing that on the same side, same thing on the other side, pulling your fingers down, pushing your hand in, reaching from underneath, grabbing your thumb and turning your wrist this way. Doing that and maybe even just shaking out your fingers are great ways to reduce stress in your back, your neck, shoulders, hands, wrists, and even preventing things like carpal tunnel syndrome, neck pain, headaches, and back pain. Again, I'm Dr. Joseph Bogart, chiropractic in Parkland, Florida. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us 954-340-7545. Until then, be well.